up guys, I'm Marian Elise and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be reviewing the Cheetah Beauty Hair. Y'all, let's start off with the package. This was so beautiful and it fit the brand so nicely. So far it's my favorite. I'm sorry, but it's my favorite. And they really gave me so many little goodies inside of this box. So I'm gonna break it down. They gave me some 5D eyelashes, 2 blue hair clips, which are very useful, okay? And a black stocking cap, and 2 headbands. So I'm going to take the blue one out the pack to show y'all what it looks like up close. It's like nighttime, sunshine. Yeah. They also gave me an edge brush, and here's the beautiful hair. So this is all shipped by Cheetah Beauty, which took about 3 to 7 days, and shipped by FedEx, so we got here on time. Also, the bag with the hair in it, it came with this beautiful tag. I've never seen this before on any hair that I've ever had, so I was shocked. And the hair is 26 inches. Now, I usually never talk about smell of hair in my videos because if I don't smell anything, I just don't say anything. But I got a little smell when I opened up the bag. It just smelled like factory, but it came out as soon as I washed the hair. But I wanted to let y'all know because I haven't had any hair to smell, so I was like, oh, okay. Anywho, this is the wig, and the first thing I noticed about this hair was the density. And Cheetah Beauty claims to have really thick and full hair, and I see why. The hair was super full. It says it's 180 density, but it definitely felt like 200, and it did not tangle or shed when I first initially had the hair, but we'll get into that later. So this is the headband curly wig. That's why you clicked on the video. I know. It came with those Velcro straps, no lace, no nothing. So here's the construction of the cap. It came with 4 combs. And it is big head friendly. I'll go ahead and let y'all know that now. It is big head friendly. Big head friendly. It was stretchy. And I can only imagine if my hair was actually braided down, but I only had it in a small tiny bun because that's how I measure if it's big or not. And it fit really comfortable with my hair in a tight small bun. So I'm sure it'll feel even better if your hair is braided down. I also did my baby hairs off camera, but that cap is on and we're ready to pop the wig on. So like I said, I put it on and it was so easy to put it on. It just went straight into place and boom. Hair was there and it was comfortable. I promise, it felt great. This is a 22-inch cap size, so yeah. Initially putting this hair on, once again, I was just so shocked at how full it was. Curly hair will always be your fullest hair just because the more you run your fingers through it, the bigger it gets. But y'all, look at this hair. This is the reason why headband wigs are so popular because they're so effortlessly done. The hair felt super soft and it was ready to go straight out the door. But, of course, we have to talk about it some more. So first, I'm going to tell y'all about the length. It is 26 inches and it definitely is 26 inches for sure. It was dry, so once you spray curly hair with water, it gets longer and it is the actual length because they measure it by the way that it is when it's wet and stretched out. I also did receive a little bit of shedding as I was running my fingers through it, but as y'all saw, that amount of shedding for this much hair on my head is nothing. All hair sheds, and so for it to not be coming out in handfuls is amazing. Here's the back. It looks so gorgeous. I love it so much. It's so pretty. So pretty. Curly hair is always beautiful, so you have to test it out with water. So I'm taking my 360 spray bottle, my favorite spray bottle in the world, y'all. I love this spray bottle because look at it. It never stops spraying. It's amazing. I know. I'll leave the link for it down below, but I am going to make a video on my Amazon favorites. So this will definitely be featured in that video. So I'm just spraying one side of my hair to show you guys the difference. It took me so much water because of how full this hair is. Like, y'all, I was spraying to get this hair as flat as possible just to show you guys how it looks with water. And once again, this is the amount of shedding that came out from that side. So here's your difference. So here's my dry side and my wet side. So you can tell the difference. I honestly could have sprayed more water, but it was drying up so fast, right back into the original pattern. Because the hair is so full, it was soaking it all right back up super fast, y'all. So it was going right back into the original pattern. But here's the wet side when it's stretched out. It's a lot longer, as y'all can see, because the original side is super short. That's the difference between wet and dry hair. So I went ahead and sprayed both sides. Once again, I had to continuously spray this hair because it was drying up so quickly. I promise y'all, I soaked it in water and it was just drying up, but I was okay with that. But I really wanted y'all to see how it looked wet and dry. And the curls are beautiful either way. My shirt was turning from red to dark cherry red because of all the water. So when y'all see my shirt start to get soaked, I'm sorry. But here's the final look with the hair straight out of the bag, straight onto my head, and just with water. Nothing else added. In order to ensure that your curls do not fall or get frizzy throughout the day, you can easily just pop on you some mousse. I love the Cantu mousse. I'll leave it down below in the description. Yes. So now it's time to show you guys how they look with these headbands. I did not try that one on because it didn't match, but it's still beautiful. But this one right here matched me all the way. So I'm just gonna put on this headband that actually came with the wig. And y'all, I actually recommend putting on your headband before putting on your wig. Especially if you get this one because it's full, girl. So after hard work and dedication, it finally popped up on my head. And y'all, this is so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. Okay. I love it so much. This is my first curly headband wig. I've done other headband wigs on my channel, so you can go check those out. But this is my favorite one by far because of the density. If you don't like big hair, you might not like this. But you can do so much with headband wigs. You can style it into a ponytail. You can do half up, half down. I even turn my ponytail into a little ball. So yeah, the only cons I would probably say about this hair is that it's just really full. If you don't like full hair, you might not like it. But I love it because I like full hair. So as y'all can see in the picture down below, I've worn this hair and it gets big, okay? It looks like Lion King big. So definitely recommend this hair. Everything I talked about will be in the description box below, so check that out for all of the links and everything that you might not remember. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.